Hi guys, so I'm getting ready for a new big build project. It's going to be a Focke Wulf 190D. So that's the Dora model, V1/5 scale. This is a kit from Focke RC. It's designed by Rumen Characov from the original factory drawings of the Focke Wulf 190D. So this is the canopy, cowling, gun hood, and of course a lot of wooden parts. These are the retracts from Sierra Giant scale. Here are the drawings. This plane is built for a 56.5 cubic centimeter motor, and I will do this as an electric conversion. We'll probably start with a horizontal tailplane. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for a lot of build videos. Bye.